Hello guys, in this short video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook code not receive it. So there is three ways to fix it. The first way is please make sure that your SIM card is not expired. So yeah, this is the first way. The second way is open your phone settings and go to the apps manager and go here to apps, and here you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Scroll down, go to Facebook, and then all what you have to do now on this page is very simple. Just click on storage and click here on clear data, go back, click on power usage details, and now all what you have to do here is click on force stop and then go back, and the last step is restart your phone and reopen Facebook, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching until the end.